Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on large language models LLM. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence that are trained on massive datasets of text and code. This allows them to learn the patterns of human language and to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. What is a large language model? A large language model is a machine learning model trained to generate and understand text. LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code, which allows them to learn the patterns of human language. This enables them to perform a variety of tasks, including text generation. LLMs can generate text of different creative formats, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. They can fulfill all your requirements. Translation. LLMs can translate text from one language to another. Summarization. LLMs can summarize long passages of text into shorter, more concise versions. Question answering. LLMs can answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way. How do large language models work? LLMs are trained using a technique called deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. Neural networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain, and they are able to learn complex patterns from data. To train an LLM, researchers first need to collect a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset is then used to train the neural network. The neural network learns the patterns of human language by analyzing the text and code in the dataset. Once the neural network is trained, it can be used to generate text, translate languages, summarize text, and answer questions. Applications of large language models. LLMs have a wide range of potential applications. Some of the most common applications include machine translation. LLMs can be used to translate text from one language to another. This is used in a variety of products and services, such as Google Translate and Amazon Translate. Text summarization. LLMs can be used to summarize long passages of text into shorter, more concise versions. This is used in a variety of products and services, such as news aggregators and search engines. Chatbots. LLMs can be used to create chatbots that can converse with humans in a natural way. Chatbots are used in a variety of applications, such as customer service and customer support. Voice assistants. LLMs can be used to create voice assistants that can understand and respond to spoken language. Voice assistants are used in a variety of products and services, such as smartphones and smart speakers. Creative writing. LLMs can be used to generate creative text content, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. This can be used by writers, artists, and developers to generate new ideas and to create new content. Future of large language models. LLMs are a rapidly developing field, and they have the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. In the future, we can expect to see LLMs used in even more ways, such as for education. LLMs can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. Healthcare. LLMs can be used to develop new diagnostic and treatment tools. Customer service. LLMs can be used to create more efficient and effective customer service experiences. Entertainment. LLMs can be used to create new and innovative forms of entertainment. Conclusion. Large language models are a powerful new technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. I'm excited to see how LLMs develop in the years to come. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.